So on the front axle, on the right side is this vacuum diaphragm, and here's the switch that turns on the indicator light in your dash to tell you that it's in four-wheel drive. So just pop this cable off and then connect a jumper wire to this connector, and then look on your dash to see if the four-wheel drive light has come on. So now when I turn the key on, the four-wheel drive indicator light has turned on in the dash. So I know there's something wrong with the switch. So now I'm going to use a 7/8 wrench to remove the switch. So now I'm going to use an ohm meter to test the switch. Here's the switch that I just took out. And as you can see, there's nothing happening. Here's the new switch. So just as a comparison, you can see this one is working correctly. And now you can put the new switch in. And reconnect the wiring harness. Another thing you can check for is vacuum leaks, and you can do that by removing the vacuum lines going into the vacuum diaphragm. And the way to remove these is there's two hose clamps on top. Just squeeze these together and pull them back out of the way, and then remove the vacuum line from the diaphragm. And now I plugged a vacuum gauge into the vacuum line, and I'll start the vehicle and see how much vacuum there is. And there should be between 10 and 20 inches of vacuum, and it looks like it's about 17, so that's pretty good.